Magandang umaga mga igan. Pagsugpo sa krimen sa loob ng 3 hanggang 6 na buwan ang naging pangako ni incoming President Rodrigo Duterte sa taong bayan noong panahon ng kampanya. Kagabi muling tinanong ni Jessica Soho ang issue sa kanyang one-on-one interview kay Digong sa Davao City. Panoorin po natin ito.
Inaabangan ho, paano nyo ba lulutasin yung krimen? Sabi nyo nung kampanya in 3 to 6 months.
Mantayan mo lang ako pag-upa.
Okay. You need the death penalty, sabi
Yes,
nyo ho.
hanging.
Eh sabi ho nung iba, hindi naman daw yung deterrent to crime. You have to solve poverty to solve crime.
Correct. But just because you are poor, you doesn't mean to say that you have to sell shabu. Yan ang mahirap dyan eh. People use poverty. And itong mga bleeding hearts ng itawag na corny na tao. No, we can solve poverty. Bakit sa Mexico, America, they're reeling under the onslaught of drugs? Eh bakit ba? Kasi ang nanay ko, hostess lang. Ang tatay ko kasi hold-upper lang. Kaya ako nagbibenta ng... Kasi mahirap lang kami. Kaya nag-hold up kami. Ang tatay ko talaga, kidnapper. Ang nanay ko, bumalik pagka... Look, do not use poverty as a reason to destroy the lives of young people and the country.
What is the one thing that you can offer our country, Mayor?
My toil and my a little of my, is it virtue? Determination. When I say, I will do it, I will do it.
Paano po yun ang taas ng expectations ho ng tao sa
Yan
inyo?
ang,
Almost 16 million voted
just,
for you.
I-focus mo na yung camera sa kanya. Share with me a moment of crying. Ewan ko ba paano?
Na-overwhelm ho ba kayo sa
Because
sa
actually,
dami
it
ng
has not
problema?
synced in. And the fact that I was not, sayo-sayo ako, I was vacillating all over. I was not really, it was kind of, sige, takbo lang ako. But because of the lack of funds, and the movement was really very restrictive. And ang kalaban ko kasi national, puro sila papila na.
Message po dun sa mga bumoto sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po. Ako po hindi masamang tao.